Do you have a new garden or an open space? We're going to show you some plant pairings with perennials, shrubs, and vines that are going to fill it up beautifully. Here we're pairing Baby Kim, a dwarf of Miss Kim, a lilac with beautiful fragrance, with Armeria Dream Weaver. This has rich pink flowers that are going to be there all summer long. Next, we're going to use a yellow yarrow, Moonshine, and we're going to pair that up with a Spanish lavender called Anouk to give you that perfect 2-month purple-yellow combo. Next, we're going to use a Weigela standard, a lovely Monet all summer with pink flowers and ever-changing foliage. And we're going to pair it up with an Everson Clematis, volunteer, that will grow in a pot right at the base. Yes, we have beautiful fern leaf peonies in stock just coming into flower, and we're going to pair this up with bells and whistles, a brand new Campanula from Proven Winners for a nice red and blue basic flower combination. We have some great dwarf Alstroemerias in stock, including this vibrant red, and we're going to pair it up with Snowsation, a great candy tuft, so you get a beautiful red and white combo, great for the rock garden. Please keep in mind that if you want a particular pairing, you want to come in fairly soon because the color leaves the building really quickly this time of year.